So we start with Civil Branch. I have here with us Ganeshan. Further, he's done his MS from IIT Madras in 1982, and he did his MBA also from Osmania University in 1987. He's worked for several public and private sector companies in India from 1974 to 1993, and then he was for 18 years he was at the Kingdom of Bahrain, where he retired as a director construction admin for a leading consultancy firm. Since returning to India in October 2011, he is associate with Larsen & Toubro Construction, and he is a consultant for the Buildings and Factory Division. Now next month he is debuting as a visiting faculty at IIT Madras in construction management area. That's the latest thing, right? Yes. Which is as a debuting as a visiting faculty. His wife Malini is also here on Zinja. Can I ask Malini please join? They are blessed with one son, Vasant, who lives and works in Washington DC. They have just returned from USA. You can see their, their faces. They just returned from USA after celebrating the wedding of Vasant on 13th of July, and it was done in true Washington Thirumanam style. They did a wedding in a typical South Indian wedding. They did it in Washington. Our commissioner, come. Munni Swami is come. Yes, please come. He is a private consultant in civil construction and settled at Madurai. His wife in Shantin is an MA. They have two sons. Elder son is Karthik, is an MS scholar and settled at Germany. Is married and has two sons. Younger son is a doctor, Dr. Pradeep Kumar, working in Apollo Specialty Hospital at Madurai. Is also married. The younger son is also married, and daughter-in-law is also a doctor. Muniswami has come here alone today with us. Welcome, Muniswami. Thank you. Please be seated. To make sure. Okay. And he has also taken on the role of a teacher. Okay. I know his mother was an English teacher, but he makes sure that even if you make small mistakes, he'll be there the first one to correct. Am I right? So ME, as is favoritely or fondly called, is working as a general manager for Applied Corrosion Technology firm at Dubai. He travels a lot and he makes it a point not to miss any meetings which we have. As they rightly said, we mix, if there's a meeting fixed, he'll make sure he works out his schedule and he is there. His wife Geeta Gonzalez, of course she's not here today. They have three daughters, two staying in Dubai and one at Bangalore. Welcome, Amy. Lakshmi Narayan is married to Anuradha and they are blessed with a daughter, Chandana. Welcome, Lakshmi. Branch was a day scholar and he used to come from Pallattur. When I say Pallattur, a lot of faces are becoming, all those in Karaikudi, you know about, right? He came from Pallattur. Though a day scholar, he spent a lot of time with many of us in the hostel. He continued his studies and completed his MBA from IGNOU in Operations Research, started his career with SRP Tools, Ranipet, then moved to Western Crompton Engineering 1979 to 1995. I think you joined when I left. Currently he is working at Axles India Senior GM Manufacturing. His wife Jayalakshmi, welcome ma'am. She is also here today, is a retired banker. Carnations have two sons. Eldest is Shiv Kumar, his son is Arvind Kumar, DR from Anna University, and MBA from SAP Delhi. Works for L&T Construction. Is married to Priyadarshini, works for TCS. The Carnations live at Adyar. Welcome. Yes, you please ask all the people. V. Ramakrishnan, affectionately called H or Ramki, is professor and mechanical engineer at a private engineering college at Chennai. He is still in service, he is a passionate teacher. At this age he is pursuing and we're going to take his PhD soon. So he used to get a H. Correct. So he always been called as an H. Even now he's very good and he's good in maths. So I think he keeps sending a lot of things on the WhatsApp. So some of us find it very difficult to understand. Okay. Amki's words, I am quoting him, what he sent to me. He is the husband of a very understanding wife named Rukmani, who, not wanting to interfere in his education and freedom, allowed him to be alone amongst you today. Welcome, Rajji. Thank you. T. Srinivasan, if Usha, who is also here today. Usha, please come. And she is a homemaker. They are settled at Bangalore. They have one son who is married and presently working at Cochin. Srinivasan, please welcome to this. R. Seturaman, who would have finished. One more batch would have gone, he will still be eating. So we nicknamed him, and I don't know whether he's still that, only his wife has to tell us this. Officially wrote a series by his good friends during college days, belongs to the mechanical engineering branch. He's worked with one of the Simpson Group companies named Shardlow India, which manufacture various automobile forgings till his retirement recently. His wife Sundari Sethuram is also here. Please join us. Yes. He says he has a very big family. All our access persons, 74 kids and grandkids are theirs. Wonderful feeling, Sethu. Welcome, both of you. Madras University. However, he maintained contacts with us and continued his friendship with us all through this period. His presence here today is a proof of this, and he has taken a major part in organizing this event here. To tell briefly about him, after graduation his last assignment was in Kuwait. He is taking time off and preparing for the next stint. He offers his pranams and utilize this opportunity to thank all of you, his gurus, for the dedicated interest in developing the students to a higher level and instilling a sense of responsibility in all of them. He got married to Pachayamal in 1979. He has 3 children, 2 girls and a boy. Mrs. Pachayamal is not here, but his daughter is here with him. Can I ask her also to join, please? Vice President Technical from Vishaka Industries, Hyderabad. Presently doing consultancy for the same company. Aarti, please come and join. His son is currently working in the United Kingdom. He gets up very early and is very active in the WhatsApp from 4 o'clock onwards. And still says he's going for his walk and exercises. Ladies and gentlemen, a big applause to the mechanical engineering branch of our batch. Yes.
Vinod is also known as
the many names, not one. Okay. Electronics and Communication Department of batch. Start with Arundhya Raj before. Completed his ME from Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore in 1979. In 84 he joined Abu Dhabi Oil Company, posted in UK for 1 year, later shifted to Abu Dhabi offshore, worked as a network and SCADA engineer till 2003. Completed his PhD in Computer Science in 1984 from Osmania University, and 1992 he completed his MBA also from Osmania University. 2003 he joined as head on-the-job trainer for PDO Oman, Muscat, and in 2007 he joined Bharat University at Tambaram as professor of IT. In 2008 he has become a principal as RAC College of Engineering. Rasi, yeah? Okay, Rasi at Chennai. His spouse, who is also here, Mary. Welcome, ma'am. Homemaker and present here. First son is Pradeep, is a doctor. They have one girl child. Second and third son are twins. Vivek the twin is an MBA HR, works in Muscat. Vikram the twin is an architect, works in Chennai. Arekraj is taken to Varga Valamudan Yoga since 1990, and he believes every day is a gift of God. He keeps himself going, counting the blessings of the Almighty. Welcome, both of you. Lab located at Cochin. He was involved in the development of sonar system for the detection of underwater targets. He was responsible for the design and development of ship, submarine and helicopter sonars, meeting the 3D requirement of Indian Navy. He closely worked under the leadership of Dr. Abdul Kalam. A very lucky Durgadas. Yes. For 2 years, he was posted as at GFAS Delhi, a think tank team from DRDO, on forecasting of systems and technologies. His field of specialization includes systems engineering process for successful development of system in the first attempt. He received the DRDO Technology Award for the development of submarine sonar and commendation certificate from none other than Dr. Kalam for development of ship sonar. He retired as Associate Director of NPOL and from Cochin. He has published number of papers in IEEE and other international journals. After retirement, he got the post of DRDO Fellow and presently giving consultancy in sonar systems. In 1980, he got married to Selvi at Virudhunagar. She is also present here today. Welcome. She was an active member of the Mahila Kalyan Manch, a women's forum of DRDO. In the last 1 year, she has attended all Exotosa 74 family get-together functions held at various moods. Very nice. Thank you. He is also 10 years of teaching experience, teaching MBA subject in SRM Ishwari Engineering College. His wife, Dr. Jayashree, did her MBBS from the Lady Hardin Kirtana. He is studying BA in Ethiraj College, Chennai. Welcome, Mukundans. Radha, come. Born and brought up at Karaikudi, 1974. Then he joined Neyveli Lignite Corporation NLC as a junior plant manager in February 2006 and retired as general manager from the same place in January 2012. Now he is enjoying the retired life at Pallavaram, Chennai with his family consisting of spouse, Mrs. Saroja, who is also present here, his son, daughter-in-law and grandson. Radhakrishnan makes sure we all get a lot of good messages on WhatsApp. He keeps sending messages to us. Okay. Thank you very much. Welcome. This CSIO, correct, at Chandigarh, and then he was at Punjab State Electronics Corporation, and then he joined the company Bell's Controls, in which he travelled widely both in India and he was also posted in different places in Germany, UK, and other places. Now, Ranjan is currently at Chennai. He is engaged in the family business and also has an individual business dealing in factory automation. A very successful businessman. He goes by the nickname, he's got as Tamil Nadu Ambani in our group. So you can know what he is. His wife Sucheta is also here, present today in our midst. Ranjan's our one son Ganesh, who was working with Google in Mountain View, California, US. Welcome, Ranjan. 75 December to 84 March, joined as a junior executive trainee instrumentation in Fertilizer Corporation. After the training, absorbed as junior executive and then promoted as assistant plant manager till 1984, where he worked at Durgapur and Barauni. March 1984, joined Birla Stanfac as HOD of instrumentation, looked after direction and commissioning of the plant in instrumentation electrical. 87, joined SPIC Group TAC as senior manager maintenance, where he worked till 2000. And for the next 7 years, he worked with garments and dye industry as a chief executive, production planning and administration. From 2007 till now, he is working as a consultant in industrial automation, cement, sugar and fertilizer and chemical industries. Welcome, Sampath Kumar. Please. No, what at all. Not at all, sir, we understand. Chennai traffic, you can understand. MB not given more details about this thing, but we have a daughter Praveena, who is now a project manager in Infosys, and a granddaughter Prerna studying at Baldwin's Girls' School. We also have a son Ramnath working with Oracle as application sales manager. Welcome, MBS. V. Swaminathan, alias Swami. Nearly 9 people of our batch have worked in NLC. A lot of people went to NLC and probably a lot of people went to PWD also. He is blessed with one son and a daughter. Both are settled at Chennai. He spends his time visiting ancient temples and important tourist locations. He also likes to visit wildlife sanctuaries, and what he does most is bird watching. You believe it? Okay. They are believing it. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Electronics and Communication Band. Please give it a big hand. Thank you very much. Please be seated. Worked in NLC and retired from there as an executive director. His wife, Mrs. His wife, Mrs. Mainavati, is a homemaker. Both his daughters are engineers and married, blessed with granddaughters and a grandson respectively. Now he is holding the post of president in his Sai Engineers Apartment Welfare Association, Urapakam, and also in NLC Senior Citizen Welfare Association, Chennai. Welcome, Dhanapal. Family comprising wife, 2 sons, both employed in Chennai. He's got 2 daughter-in-laws, 1 grandson and 1 granddaughter. Welcome, Jan. Gurumani. Electrical engineering, worked in different places, joined TNAB during 1979 at Sirvalar Hydroelectric Project and Shankaran Coil Distribution Section. 6 years he worked in TNAB and then escaped to Muscat. Electrical services in 1985. After continuous service there and making a lot of money, he retired in 2013. 1 son is in Muscat with family and 2 daughters married in Srivilliputturu itself. 1 son-in-law is in UAE, other is in textile business. Totally 3 grandsons and 3 granddaughters. Now by God's grace, he is happily settled at Srivilliputturu. If he is not there, he is touring in 1969. He joined HAL Hyderabad as aeronautical engineer in 1977 and worked for 36 plus years in design and development of avionics and radar. He retired as a general manager design in June 2013 and then worked as a consultant to HAL for 1 year. Presently working as a consultant at Data Pattern Siruseri IT Park, Chennai. His wife Vijay Lakshmi is with him here on this happy occasion. The Krishna Kumas have 2 kids. Daughter is studying, doing his honors at University of Florida, US, after working for 2 years at TCS Hyderabad. And son is working at IIT Hyderabad as intern after completing BTech from SRM Chennai.